Hello, I'm a gardener. In this video, I'm talking about growing cherry tomatoes. Hello folks, and welcome to my videos. I appreciate you dropping in today. Watch what we're doing. Now, we're going to be talking about tomatoes. Have you thought about what would be the easiest tomato to grow? I want to get this information out to you now so that you can get started in growing this tomato. Now, by the end of this video, you will know how to grow what I think is one of the easiest tomato plants there is to grow. Now, yes, it is a cherry tomato, very prolific, and you'll see how we go about it. So here's the small seedlings, and now they're ready to be transplanted into larger pots. AZOMITE means A to Z minerals. Now, as I get ready to set this plant in the planting hole, I'm carefully threading the foliage, the stalk, if you will, through the openings of the cattle panel, which is my trellis. And yes, that's small green tomatoes you see in the red circle, and we're in zone 7, and it's 23rd of April, and I've got small tomatoes already. Most of your tomato disease is caused by soil splashing up on the leaves and infecting the leaves, and then it spreads through the leaves through the stalk to the rest of the plant. So the more you can do to keep that splash from happening, or keep it from getting on the leaves, the better off your tomato plants are going to be. Let's do one more real fast. Even though it may look like it's going to hold water, there's actually enough cut places in the plastic for rainwater or any other watering to percolate through and get down into the soil. Well, that's all we're going to do for this video, but that's not the complete story on growing cherry tomatoes. So I will be making a follow-up video to show you more of the details of what I do. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. There's a red button down here in the corner, and if you click on it, then it automatically subscribes you. And also, if you click on the thumbs up button, that helps me because it tells YouTube that you like my content. And so I appreciate that. Now I've put 4 videos at the end of this. These are called in-screen videos that I think you will enjoy. They are related to growing tomatoes. And so take a look at them when you finish this video, and I think you'll like them. Now on this video I will be making more updates to it as it grows and as the summer goes along. So what I encourage you to do is when you subscribe, hit that button down there. There's also a little bell-shaped icon that you'll see. And if you click on it, that will automatically give you notifications when I upload new videos. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.